Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Brian Bonagazzi, and we're going to try and finish this up in this episode. If not, we'll do it another one. I know I'm kind of splitting this up in so little parts, but it's better this way, because otherwise it will take forever to upload. I don't know if I can even upload what I've got right now without it taking forever. And I mean absolutely forever. So, all these videos are being recorded Saturday, June 25th. So, that is a thing that, I just thought I'd point that out there. For whatever reason, just a little personal note to myself. Because I don't want to forget and then be like, it's by the time I start uploading them and whatever, and then be like, great, now it's going to take forever to upload, and then I'd be like, jeez, come on, man, I just want to get this done. Okay, that wasn't really meant at you, sorry about the loudness of the volume, but my thing is that when you think about it, there it is. I just don't really care. I really just don't want to absolutely be recording and then be like, oh crap, I got a long video and I can't do anything with it. That sucks. So, yeah, there is that to consider. But it is what it is. Ooh, cool. We finally found it. Alright. I didn't really expect anything. I like how people will respond if you go twice on it. Like, okay, like sometimes or whatever. Like, oh, you must have been expecting something. Not a bit. I'm just trying to kind of chill out and relax. Oh, no. Ooh, maybe. Okay. Yeah, you'll go there. And will you go there? Come on, you freak. Okay, but you'll go there. That's good. That's good. Okay, so that's good. You might go nowhere, it seems. Nowhere. You'll go there. Okay, that's good. Let's see here. I know there's one more piece. There you are. Sometimes you just have to have connecting pieces, otherwise they just never fall into place. Place. Okay. So, yeah. Let's get you onward and inward and oh, that's good. Yep. Good, we're getting all the pieces in. And this is going to suck because I'm taking forever. Okay, that's going to work there. And this is going to work there. And there it is. We did it. Oh, jeezums. Will you stop? Who will be the fastest? Well, it sure as hell ain't you. Or me. And I don't want to be. So leave me alone. Oh, good. I can fast forward to the... Oh, God, not bingo. No, thank you. Kiss my ass. Alright. Come on, man. I don't like this, alright? Stop. I don't really mind the advertisements if they have to deal with them, but I just don't want to. Anyway, so we'll go ahead and do the use, share, see what happens. Anyway, so, and I will see you all in another episode. I don't know what or when, but either way, this is being recorded again. Saturday, June 25th. Alright, till then, later.